Hey guys, in today's video, I will tell you how you can recover your deleted macros from your Excel workbook. Macros allow you to automatically finish your mundane tasks that require repeated actions while working on an Excel workbook. If you accidentally deleted macros from your Excel workbook, then don't worry. I will tell you some easy ways using which you can get your deleted macros back in your Excel workbook. So without any delays, let's dive in. Now, let's find your deleted macros in Excel. According to Microsoft support, once you have deleted your macros from the Excel workbook, then you would never get them back. On the other hand, if you have backed up your macros in a .back format, then you can easily find them and restore them on your Excel workbook from your PC's File Explorer. You cannot recover your deleted macros in Excel without backup. If you have already backed up your Excel workbook, then you can use the following steps to restore your deleted macros from backup. First, open MS Excel on your PC and use the Alt plus F11 shortcut key to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. After this, click on File and select Import File or use the Ctrl plus M shortcut key. Then use the macro file you wish to recover and click on the Open button. Finally, your deleted macro will be restored on your Excel workbook. Are you having trouble importing your macros from your PC? If yes, then do not worry. I will show you how you can do it. First of all, open your MS Excel app and click on File. Then select Options from the left navigation panel and a new window will open on your PC screen. Now, go to the Trust Center and click on the Trust Center Settings button. Next, click on the Macro Settings and select Enable VBA Macros. Then check Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. Lastly, click on OK, and from now on, you are ready to import macros on your Excel. If your workbook gets corrupted while working with macros, then Excel will automatically start to fix the affected file. However, when Excel starts to repair your corrupted Excel file, it doesn't save your current data. In case you open your Excel workbook and find out that it already has been corrupted, then you can recover it by using an Excel repair software. These tools allow you to repair or retrieve your corrupted Excel data, including your macros from the affected file. However, this software may not be completely free, and you could be asked to buy a subscription to recover your corrupted Excel file. Here's how you can use Stellar Repair for Excel software to get back your corrupted Excel workbook and macros. First of all, download and install Stellar Excel Repair tool from the official website. Close the MS Excel app before using the Excel Repair File tool. Launch Stellar Repair for Excel on your PC and click on the Browse button. Select the corrupted Excel file that you want to repair and click on the Open button. Next, click on the Repair button and let it complete the repairing process. Finally, select the Save File button and your Excel workbook will be repaired. In case you didn't enter the activation key, then the Stellar Excel Recovery tool will ask you to enter the activation key. Just enter the key and you will be able to fix your corrupted Excel file. Once your corrupted MS Excel file is repaired, open it in MS Excel and press the Alt plus F8 shortcut key. After that, select the macro you wish to use on your worksheet and click on Run. Here are some simple but crucial tips and tricks to save your Excel files as well as macros from deletion. Always save your important macros on your PC's File Explorer .back format. This way your macros will be safe from accidental deletion and can be transferred to a different Excel workbook. You can easily create a backup by following these steps. Open your workbook and use the Alt plus F11 shortcut key to access Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Then select the module option from the left navigation panel and double-click the macro you want to save as backup. After this, your macro will be opened in VBA code on your PC screen. Now, click on the file and select the Export File option, or you can use the Ctrl plus E shortcut key. Finally, click on Save and your important macro will be saved as a backup file on your PC. MS Excel has an inbuilt auto-repairing mechanism for Excel files. However, this mechanism is ineffective against malware or virus attacks. In case your workbook was corrupted due to a virus attack, then you can use a third-party Excel repair tool to restore the affected Excel file. So, that's all for today guys. If you like this information, then drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor.